Hello, I'm Rachel, and my team and I decided to focus on forecasting housing price growth for the metro areas of the United States and how to convey those findings to the average buyer. So the first thing we had to do was figure out a forecasting model. We decided to go with the sparse partial least squares regression because of its ability to handle very large predictor versus observations and very correlated predictors, which is what you do find with housing market data. We use national data and metro area data. National data like gross domestic product, interest rates, production indices, regional data, loan origination statistics, market data like median days on market, months supply. We ended up with over 10 million observations. Most of it was the mortgage data. But what the model is, it is just a regression. So the response Y is the growth rate, and the predictors are the 135 economic series that we found and downloaded and processed in R, clean them up, and then just ran them through a sparse partial least squares regression package in R. So these are some of our findings. It's performed really well considering that we had 135 predictors and only 38 observations. We see that in most areas the rate will continue to grow, not as steep as it has been, but it looks like it might be slowing down some. But so the model went from having 135 predictors to averaging at about 11 predictors per model that it created for each MSA. Here are some metrics to show that we don't have autocorrelation with the error, that the residuals are normally distributed. So everything looks good. The model performed well. And finally, the big thing is our visualization. This is a bubble chart, but what it is, it's got the metro data. If you hover over, it'll show you the projected growth rate for Q1, Q2, and then the realized growth rate for Q4, which is where our data ended. Very short video, I'm so sorry, but I hope you got a pretty good idea of what we did, and I hope you get to check it out. All right, thank you.